Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how NotebookLM can integrate with Google Classroom. All right, so I've been playing around in NotebookLM and made some updates recently. Uh, Specifically over here in Studio, they added video overview a while ago, creation of mind maps. A lot of the different things that you could create are now filed under reports. So you can create a bunch of different things by clicking on reports and get a bunch of different types of artifacts based on that. And then they added flashcards and quizzes recently. And when I first noticed that, I was like, well, that's kind of cool. But I mean, it'd be nice if that would integrate with Google Classroom. Like, it's nice that you can have it here, but that really isn't that useful if you have students and you're a teacher. And then you have all your different artifacts down here, which are the results of creating up here. And then earlier this week, I noticed as I was working on creating an assignment in Google Classroom that you can now add a notebook from NotebookLM. And there's actually a couple of different ways to do this. You can do this directly within this assignment. It just shows up as one of these tiles down here. Or if you want, you can go to create, and now you have the option to add a NotebookLM notebook or even a Gemini Gem directly from the create button. If I click on NotebookLM, a window will pop up. I can create a new notebook, or I can select an existing notebook. I'm going to select an existing and then click on my notebooks, and then it'll just scroll through the names of all of your different notebooks. And then click the one you want, attach notebook, and then a window is going to pop up. The actual notebook is going to pop up as well. That's kind of annoying. But then you have a chance to give that a title, a description. Notice that the notebook is linked. If you select highlight at top of class, a separate tile in the classroom, the class work stream will show up at the top. I usually turn this off because I don't really want it up there. And then you can select which classes it's going to appear for, and if you want it to appear under a specific topic as well. Like most other classroom posts, you can schedule it, save it as a draft and whatever, or you can post it right away. But this is now a very nice integration that Google has added between NotebookLM and Google Classroom, allowing your students to take full advantage of the power of NotebookLM, especially when you fill it with the sources that you want. Just a really cool idea that they have. I really like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.